Hello and welcome back. Today I will show you how we can easily create this glass morphism with free Canva account. So let's go to the left side menu, photos, and choose any photo as a background. I'm choosing this one. So now let's choose elements. This square we will find on the lines and shapes and adjust its size. Now let's change the color, let it be white. And now let's go to the elements, grids, and choose this one grid. Adjust its size. Right button and bring it front. And now we can add the same photo to the grid and double click and adjust its location and size. So we have here our photo, and now we can adjust transparency. Transparency button is on the top menu. And let's go to edit image and shadow, click glow effect. Once again, we can adjust size, blur, transparency, and click apply. And now we can adjust the size that it will be the same as the form. And now we can go to edit image, adjust, click see all, and here we can adjust the blur, let it be 9. And here you go, we have quite nice glass morphism with free Canva. So I hope you like this tutorial. Click like, subscribe, and if you want to learn more, check my new extensive Canva master course on udemy.com. See you next time.